Welcome to Dunder Data Python Challenge number 9. These are daily exercises to challenge your Python skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So in this challenge, given a string, return true if the last letter is capitalized and false otherwise. So this is one of the simplest challenges. We can do this in a single line. So we're given this string S. We're going to select the last character, which is also a string, and then all strings have this is upper function, which just returns true or false, whether or not the last letter is uppercase or not. So let's go ahead and just execute this. We'll pass in some sample data. So here, A is the last letter in the string. This is false. We can change it to capital A just to show that it'll show true. And then the assert statement just verifies that we have it correct. All right, so that does it for Dunder Data Python Challenge number 9. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.